Dan Willis here, and in this video we're talking about credit repair law firms, credit repair lawyers, and credit repair services, really the professionals. So when you turn to a credit repair service to help you fix your credit report, you are making a wise decision. These services have lawyers that are experts on the constantly evolving consumer credit laws. Further, they will bring the power of a law degree to back up your efforts and make sure that your credit report gets fixed and repaired. Most often, though, a lawyer won't actually have to do anything on your case. Let's talk about the cost. You can typically expect an upfront deposit of about $100, and then you're going to be billed on a monthly basis, anywhere from about $50 a month all the way up to about $100 a month. It really depends on how much work your credit reports need, with how many months you should need to have a service and a credit repair law firm working for you. You can expect anywhere from 6 to 12 months, generally speaking. It really depends on your needs. At the end of the day, it's going to cost a few $100s to clean up your credit reports. But that, compared to the cost of high interest rates and fees and bad credit, not to mention there's a growing trend of employers checking applicants' credit reports before offering them a position. Please don't let your bad credit cost you a potential good job offer. So how does the credit repair process work? The first thing you do is forward the law firm you hire a copy of all three of your credit reports. Some may require a tri-merge credit report, which is fancy terminology for all three of your credit reports. You can get these credit reports for free at annualcreditreport.com. You're entitled to each one of your three credit reports one time for free per year or every 12 months. Once you have all three of your reports, you need to review them and figure out what items are questionable. An item can be questionable for a variety of reasons, including the amount, the dates, it's been paid, it's not your account, etc. In other words, it would be in your best interest to identify all the negative items as questionable. The service will then file all these credit bureau disputes with each one of the bureaus and get them to investigate the items you identify as questionable. During a credit bureau investigation, they will contact the lender or creator of the bad credit mark on your credit report and ask them to verify the account, the amount on the account, and the dates. If the lender is unable to verify the account, then the credit bureau must remove that item from your credit report. This is in compliance with the Fair Credit Reporting Act, a federal law passed in 1970. This law was passed to protect you, the consumer, from the credit bureaus and aggressive collection agencies. It gives you the right to challenge and dispute the validity of any item on your credit reports. Unfortunately, the brick wall that many people face is in large part due to the wealthy, influential reach of the credit bureaus into lawmakers in Washington. Now, before a consumer dispute is investigated by the credit bureau gets to decide if that dispute is valid or invalid. In other words, the credit bureau is going to avoid spending extra money that they don't have to spend by conducting an investigation. They don't earn any revenue by investigating your credit reports or your disputes. There's no financial incentive for the credit bureaus to make sure they have accurate, correct information about you. The one and only reason they will investigate your disputes is to comply with federal law, and even that's debatable because they've been fined by our federal government time and time again for not following the rules, for not following regulations, and for not complying with the laws. If you'd like to get some more tips and know some more about some good credit repair lawyers, we're going to include a link in the description below. However you choose to move forward, please don't just live with bad credit, especially for 7 long years. Please visit yourbadcreditcard.net. That's our website. Link in the description below. We're currently giving a free report away, these 7 super simple steps to clean credit. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like this video. Please have a fantastic afternoon, and looking forward to talking to you again here soon.